G'day, g'day. It is Wednesday, the 1st of July 2026. We have first trading day of the second half of the year and of the third quarter. And what an interesting day it was to close off the financial year here in Australia. And price did basically what I thought it would do for Asia, in that we had these 4 daily lows sitting below price, and it came down and swept all of those. The question was whether it would continue on going. It did create a new low for the 2026. This 2025 November low was definitely on the cards, but buyers stepped in rather dramatically and took price all the way back up, stopping out any sellers who were trying to hold through that day. And we did find rejection coming into the close, so it's got this sort of doji spinning top with long wicks either side. All of this liquidity has been swept now. Monday was an inside day of Friday, so we have these double highs up here, as well as an untouched point of control and value area high up there. So now that we've swept these lows, are we going to come and test the previous day's high from yesterday? So we better put that in and get rid of all these now. And also looking at it like that 4,000 level was tested as well, and once again buyers stepped in, were happy to buy at 4,000. Looking down at the way price moved yesterday, you can see this beautiful sell-off. So I found my nice trade coming off the value area low. We had a really nice buying candle here, which gave me confidence to take price back up to the high of the day. There was another trade in here which I did not take because we're already inside this range, but once we saw price break out, put on the fire lines now, we could see that we're already below the value area low. Once price came out of here, we're along the point of control and the volume profile value area low. That's very bearish. The only sticking point would have been this 4,000. Price crashed through that and kept on selling off. So whether it was the big institutional players, deliberately selling as they were buying to get a much better price underneath 4,000, as we have closed back above that level, that's definitely on the cards. But this was just a gorgeous trade if you can hold these types of trades. Where we are now, put in our New York volume profile zone. We'll steal the point of control from yesterday and move that across. Okay, so we've gapped up a little, either going to get filled or it is going to continue. We are above the inflection point, we are above the value area low, but below the dynamic value line, so we're getting squeezed a little bit. A breakout here will have trouble breaking through the inflection point. Buying off of here, we'll need to be monitoring what happens with this dynamic value line, but the point of control could act as a magnet. As I said, I'm favoring a buy up into yesterday's high more so than selling, but I'll be open to both.